Another one of the things which I specialise in is mediation. Mediation in the context of civil or commercial disputes. What mediation is, it's a type of dispute resolution, and effectively it's a type of assisted negotiation. So my job as a mediator is to assist both of the parties to try and find an acceptable solution to their problem. And how the process normally works is we have a day set aside where each party, together with their solicitor, will come along and we'll negotiate. And what that entails is I will move between rooms which each side are in, and I'll talk to each side. I'll take proposals backwards and forwards. The way in which I do slightly more than that, but it's in terms of it's understanding how, what they want, what their bottom line is, what they think the other person can give, what they can give to the other side. And it can be very easy for people in dispute to remain stuck in dispute. Mediation is a process which can be very effective, as long as you have each side coming to the table wanting to try and find a solution, and obviously having the decision makers there on the day to be able to draw, to make those decisions. At the end of the day, if the mediation's been successful, then what happens is that the lawyers will draw up an agreement which is a binding agreement, and that's then lodged with the court, and that's the end of the case. In terms of how the negotiation works, it's voluntary, it's confidential, and what that means from the mediator's point of view is, as I'm moving between each side and talking to each side about what they're wanting to achieve and what they can offer, is I won't take anything forward to the other side unless I'm authorised to do so. So what happens is, as a mediator, as the neutral person, you're keeping the confidences of both sides, but you're using the information that you have to assist both sides to try and find sufficient common ground that they can achieve resolution. Because I also have a background in family mediation, that assists me in civil and commercial cases, because there are a great many disputes which are very much people focused. So for example, if you have a contentious probate case, or if you have a partnership dispute, those sort of disputes can often turn on the personalities involved, and about how the personalities feel about how they've been treated by the other side, and their sense of right and wrong. And as someone with a family mediation background, I'm used to dealing with people in stressful situations where they can also be very distressed. And I have people skills which I think help me in a civil context to assist clients to find the right outcome for them. But in comparison to going to court, it's an absolute bargain, because the costs of court proceedings is thousands of pounds, whereas mediation is a very quick process, and the cost is a fraction of what it would cost to go to court. And I say, with the right people, in the right context, it works really well.